Dear creator, Chastity108, I am a simple subscriber. I have two sensitive questions. My first question is that I am physically and mentally very weak due to over-masturbation and porn addiction. Is there any way so that I can get rid of all those addictions? My second question is that there are several websites and articles in Google. They claim that practice of semen retention may cause prostate cancer. Is it true or false? Please clarify me as soon as possible. I would like to answer your second question first. Your second question was, you have found many articles and websites. They are claiming that practice of semen retention may lead to prostate cancer. Is it true or false? Please listen to me carefully. The modern psychology study which is taught to the allopathy doctors are based on Freud psychology, which teaches that regular masturbation or sex is a normal act and it has no harmful effects, though you do it repeated times in a week. This psychology propagates the sexuality with high intensity. Freud himself was psychologically weak and insane. He used to consume a drug known as cocaine, which had disastrous effect on his mind. A perverted mind can create perverted, disastrous psychological thesis. Later times, the fellow psychologists of Freud themselves negated the opinions of Freud. Still, modern education is using the teachings of Freud without any reason, which is the main reason to build this mentality that excessive sexual practice beyond social norms has no side effects. But every individual of the society is suffering like hell nowadays, you can see very well. Second, there is a wrong propagation going on heavily regarding cause of prostate cancer to the person who preserves semen. But thousands of Indian saints, celibates, sannyasi are following brahmacharya, celibacy since ancient times. Nobody has suffered the same. Rather, it gives birth to a high-spirited generation. It can be learned through Indian history, scriptures, and saints' stories. Now I am going to answer your first question. Your first question was, you are physically and mentally very weak due to over-masturbation and porn addiction. Now listen to me carefully. How to get rid of the habit of masturbation and porn. You may be thinking about a dose, magical stick, or pressing of any nerve point so that you could get rid of masturbation quickly. But it is not like that. But the method we will recommend here is powerful. So long as you practice this method honestly, you should understand that sexual expression is biologically normal during teenage. During ancient times, wise men, they knew this reason, so they always tried to divert the mindset or flow of sex expression towards a new direction or gave them right education. That is the main reason that teenagers did not get any chance to follow any wrong path or wrong habit. The habit of masturbation from 14 years onwards has simple reason. This problem has become very serious because of porn addiction. It is very simple. The disease of masturbation can never be cured so long as the negative impression of porn is removed from the brain. The symptom of the disease will be affecting you time to time. It is not wise to depress and blame on oneself. Rather, try to root out the negative impression from the brain gradually. If you follow the method which I am going to tell you, you could be able to live for many months without masturbation. Gradually, you could be more confident and spiritually elevated. As a result, you may follow preservation of semen for many years. Please listen to me carefully. It takes 30 to 40 days to form complete healthy semen with all components. The semen turns thin if somebody loses it repeatedly in a week. In this particular method, you have to practice self-determination on bed early in the morning soon after waking up and say to yourself, as I will cooperate with my body to form semen completely for 30 days. I want my semen to be fully healthy. You have to say to yourself early in the morning on your bed. Okay? Listen to this music for 15 to 30 minutes. You can listen to this music during your yoga practice also. You can find the music from the description. Continue this practice for 30 days, and after 30 days, you have to practice another self-determination method. Pay attention and say to yourself, on bed early in the morning. Now, quality and healthy semen has been produced in my body. I should preserve it more for 10 days to produce full quantity semen. Contemplate and say to yourself on the bed early in the morning. Now, quality healthy semen has been produced in my body. I should preserve it more for 10 days to produce full quantity semen after 40 days of semen retention. Now, semen produced is healthy in quality and quantity. Note down the positive changes in your body and mind after 40 days. You have to note down. Remember the positive changes and listen to this music along with yoga practice and believe that you are gaining much ability and positivity. You need much determination, yoga practice and vegetarian diet to go beyond this. Feed this positive affirmation in your mind. After 40 days of semen retention, brain gets plenty of food which develops the brain completely. It fills the whole body with abundant energy. After 1 year, our semen starts conversion into ojas. It takes 12 years to convert semen into ojas completely. Now we present the helpful music to get rid of masturbation and porn. It helps in removing negative impression from mind and have a positive impression to your subconscious mind. You will experience the positive effect of this music after 30 minutes. Listen to this music daily, early in the morning or in the evening.